Good morning everyone. In this video we will study the second chapter of a computer, that is parts of a computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is made up of different parts. All the parts of a computer help it to perform different tasks. The four main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Let's study the four main parts of a computer individually. First is monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. The monitor looks like a TV screen. This is a monitor. This is also a monitor. It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. It also displays the result. Whatever we do on a computer, monitor display it. It displays all the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the result and the movement of mouse pointer on a screen. Second part is keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard has many buttons. These are the buttons and these buttons are known as keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. Whatever we enter into a computer, we enter it with the help of keyboard. We enter letters, words, numbers, special symbols through the keyboard. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. A keyboard has 104 keys. The third part is CPU. This is a CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer. Computer also has a brain just like us. Why CPU is known as the brain of a computer? Because it helps a computer to think and do all its work. CPU helps computer to think and perform different tasks. It also helps a computer to remember things. CPU helps computer to remember things. CPU control all the functions of a computer. Because of these reasons, CPU is known as the brain of a computer. The fourth part is mouse. A computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. This is a mouse. It has 2 buttons. This is first and this is second. It is used to point, move and select any item on computer screen or monitor. We use mouse to point, select and move any object on the screen, and because of that, mouse is known as pointing device. A mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play games. With the help of mouse, we can draw pictures and play games. So the 4 main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Apart from the 4 main parts, there are some more parts of a computer which can be attached to it for different functions. Let's study those parts. The first one is printer. What is a printer? Printer is a output device. A printer is used to print the text or pictures on paper. We use printer to print text or pictures on paper. The printed copy on paper is called the hard copy. The output printed on a paper is known as hard copy. The printed text or picture on a paper that we get through a printer is known as hard copy. These are the printers that commonly used. The other part is microphone. This is a microphone. A microphone is used to record our voice and different sound into the computer. Using microphone, we can also talk to our friends on the internet. Microphone is a device that we used for recording our voice and different sound effects into the computer. Using microphone, we can also talk to our friends or other peoples on internet. Speaker. These are the speakers. Speakers allow us to listen to music and hear sound effects stored in a computer. With the help of speakers, we can listen the music and also hear the sound effects. CD. The full form of CD is compact disc. This is a CD. It is round in shape. A CD is round in shape and is used to store a lot of information. We used CD for storing a lot of information. It is also used for listening to music and watching movies. We use CD for listening music and watching movies. This is all about the chapter Parts of a Computer. Thank you, students.